Rockcliffe Mansion, the restoration of 3 paintings. First, the painting Madonna della Sedia. After Raphael. Notice the condition of the painting. Pieces needed to be glued back together. And the crack filled with a flexible molding epoxy. Then, the painting had to be cleaned, retouched and revarnished. Then the frame needed major restoration. Many important elements were missing. And needed to be recreated with epoxy. The restoration is complete. The same process was done to the painting An Italian Girl by A Leonardi. The restoration of An Italian Girl is complete. Next is the painting Environs of Amsterdam by C Van Erlach. The painting itself only needed cleaning. The frame was a different story. It had sustained major losses to the gesso elements. First, the detached pieces that were present were glued back in place, and the missing pieces had to be replicated. Finally, the frame was retouched with gold leaf. And the work is finished. Thank you for watching, and please come to see us at Rockcliffe Mansion in Hannibal, Missouri.